Hello friends, this presentation and model is about respiratory system. This model is about how atmospheric pressure helps us breathe. First, that air does not like vacuum, and when there is a vacuum created, air does not let that happen at all. When I push this polythene down, as you can see, balloon extended, and I bring it back, it shrinks back to its normal size. This all happened because of the atmospheric pressure. When I pull this down, there is extra space and the balloon expands to utilize the extra space. When I bring it down, it goes back to its normal size. Now I'll tell you how that is as same as it happens in the body. You must be thinking that when we breathe in, the diaphragm goes down, so the lungs expand. But it's absolutely opposite. When our diaphragm goes down, like the polythene goes down, just to utilize the space, the lungs grow, expand. And when the diaphragm goes back up, it goes back to its normal size. The nasal cavity, pharynx, larynx, trachea, bronchi is represented by the straw. The lungs are represented by the balloon, and the diaphragm is represented by this polythene. Nasal cavity. The nasal cavity is the cavity inside the nostrils, pharynx. It is a common passageway for both food and air. Then comes the larynx. It's also known as the sound box because it helps us speak. Fourth comes the trachea. It is a tube. Then comes the bronchi. As we all know, there are two lungs. The trachea needs to be divided into two, left and right. Then comes the lungs. We have a pair of lungs, and it is a double-layered membrane which is known as pleura. Then these endpoints of the lung, there is a process going on which is called the exchanging process. As you all know, when we breathe in, oxygen goes inside the body, and when we breathe out, carbon dioxide is released. In this process, the alveoli helps in it. Then, as you can see in this picture, that these veins, in the veins, there is blood, oxygenated blood. The oxygenated blood is sent to the heart. The heart sends blood around the body, and when the heart pumps the oxygenated blood, it goes around the body. When it comes back to the heart sends the oxygenated blood to the lungs. This process reverses and we release carbon dioxide. As you can see, these two lungs in this picture look same, but they are apparently different. The right lung gives space for the liver, The left lung gives space for the heart. The right lung is narrower and wider. The left lung is fatter and shorter. The left lung has 2 parts. The right lung has 3 parts. They are functionally same but apparently different. Thank you for your time. I hope I could explain what I meant.